Jenny from Center Petals, where you can find tips and tricks about flowers and floral design. Today we're going to look at using weeds and day-old grocery store flowers in an arrangement. And why would we do this? Simple, to save money. That's the only real reason why we do this. The flowers will last for a few days, and if you don't need them for very long, it's a great cost-saving alternative. And so here we go. Here's me picking out the weeds out of my yard. Hi guys, I just wanted to show you some fun weeds growing in my yard, which you're probably gonna laugh at me, but they are actually Queen Anne's lace, which you can find in a lot of arrangements this time of year, and they are growing in my yard by chance. So I'm gonna go gather them. They're up there, the top of the fence, right there. There's a bunch of them. So I'm gonna grab them and make an arrangement with them. So I'll see you in a bit. So I gathered the Queen Anne's lace, and here it is. It's just like a, kind of like a ball, you know, shaped flower. It's got little dinky tiny white petals on it. Okay guys, we're back. And I totally spaced recording me making this arrangement, but it's a fairly easy arrangement to put together. And the flowers I picked out were on the markdown area in the grocery store. They still looked really good, considering that. And usually, even though they're marked down, or like day-old flowers, they are still gonna last for 3 or 4 days in regular temperatures. If it's hot in your house, it's gonna be a little less, just because it's hot. And so this is what I made, and you can see the Queen Anne's lace are throughout the arrangement. It's just a simple bright bouquet for summer. And then I used this cute little, reminds me of like an old pottery style vase. And then I added a simple, what I call a shoestring bow. So yeah, it's a simple arrangement. And if you need step-by-step on how to make a centerpiece similar to this, you can head over to centerpetals.com/guide, and I have a 8-step beginner's guide there for you that has step-by-step instructions. And if you haven't already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. That really helps me out. And you can also head over to our Facebook group at flowerdesignforbeginners.com and show off your arrangements there. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!